Hey boys and girls, here we are, day 15 of our November daily math. All right, number one, if this is 1/4, draw the whole. So 1/4 is like saying 1/4, right? A quarter, meaning 4 quarters make a dollar. So 1/4 would be 1 out of the 4 quarters. I always like to think of this line can mean a couple things. One of the things I think it means is out of. So this is like 1 out of 4 equal pieces. So if we know this is 1 out of 4, we could go this route and make 4 equal pieces this way. So then that's 1 out of 4. We could go this way. And we could say 1 out of 4. That would be the whole. It would be 4 of those then total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Either way, pretty good to go. You can make it as long as there's 4 of these total that are anywhere close to the same size is great. Okay. So 4 of these all together, and there's 1 there for you. Okay. Doesn't matter if they're in a line, up and down, like in a square, whatever's fine. So what number is missing in this pattern? So we go from 30, and we go to a number that's lower than 30. And in this pattern, we drop 2. And we don't know from here to here. We don't know from here to here. But in this pattern, again, we drop 2. So if we drop 2 from 28, what could we or what should we get? Well, 28, we go 27, 26, right? So I'm just going to put 26 there for a second because we should also be able to go 26, drop 2, should be 24, 25, 24. That is the correct answer. So we're going to write 26 in the box, and that's our correct answer. And here we go with multiplying or counting by 4s, right? Repeated addition. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is a 12, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, and plus 4. We can also think of that as 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8. All right, here we go. Speaking of multiplying, we're going to multiply across and down. So if I have 8 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 8 times 10 equals 80. 8 times 2, or 2 8s. 2 8s, that's like addition. 8 plus 8, 16. Or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Same thing. Now we're going to go 5 tens or 10 5s. Let's do 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there is our 50. And let's go 2 times 5. What's 2 5s? Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. All right. Notice that one's shaded, okay? So we don't have to do that one. All right. But just for an example, what would 80 times 10 be? Do you know? Put another 0. 800. So let's double 50, which makes it 100. Let's half 16, which is 8. Guess what 16 times 50 is? 800. I think. Maybe double check that for me. Let me know if I'm right or wrong, okay? Thanks. Players at team tryouts. So we have the sport, we have football, soccer, and lacrosse. Number of players, and I see on here the big lines go by tens, and the little line in the middle is halfway, so that would be by 5s. How many players went to soccer tryouts? So this one we're only looking for soccer, not all, not football or lacrosse, only soccer. So I'm going to kind of make that line go here. And it looks to me, it's on that middle one, so 35. or 35 players. 35 players went to soccer, however you want to say that. But there you are, and that is day 15. We'll see you tomorrow.